Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock photo album or folder in your Samsung phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your gallery app. After open the gallery, just tap on this menu icon, then go to settings option. From here scroll all the way down, then go to gallery labs. You can see in my phone gallery labs is already enabled. After open the labs, just scroll down, and here you can find the option which is album entry locks. You have to just enable this option from here and then tap on OK. Now just go back. Now you have to close your gallery and then open it again. Now choose the album that you want to lock. Suppose if you want to lock this video album, just touch and hold it and then tap on three dots, then tap on lock album, and it's done. You can see the album has been locked successfully. Now just open the album. Now to unlock the album, you have to use fingerprint or your current phone pattern. Now just scan your fingerprint and you can see it's unlocked successfully. And that is how you can lock photo album or folder in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.